So I'm paying a lot of money, but what's $600 to get it all done and get it all done right? Well, hey everybody, Scavenger Steve back here with you. And it's the era of COVID-19, the coronavirus, as we all know. But my guy from Houston, Texas, and before that, Central America, Carlos, has been with me close to 15 years. And he's doing a job here on a Saturday for me. We're putting on texture. And Carlos, go ahead and show him how to put on texture.
Okay.
Thank you, Carlos. Gracias.
De nada.
So there you are, folks. Just had to squeeze in another Scavenger Steve video. I just stopped dead in my tracks and I make these. We're in one of my apartment complexes here in Des Moines, Iowa, by the way. Get out here and I can take my mask off. All right, so I'll walk along and talk a little bit. This is the hallway. This is a 108 units plus 54 garages that I've owned for, I think, 13 years now here in Des Moines. But anyway, these guys looking for a little extra money. They're going to work today, Saturday. They're going to work tomorrow. Okay, now here's the question. Am I scavenging the labor? Am I scavenging the labor by paying $35 an hour to one and $25 an hour for the others? You just met Carlos, and another guy working for him is across the hall. But here's the thing. They're going to do everything on the list. There's about 30 things on the list. There's about 24 apartments in this building. Tons of things on the list. And what you just saw him do, he cut out a huge chunk of sheetrock, let's say 4 foot wide and 3 foot long and 4 foot wide, and patched it in, repaired the plumbing up above between the floors with the new valves and a sink trap, or a type of PVC pipe anyway. Put it all back together. He has all these skills. He has more skills than 25 people put together. So am I scavenging the labor? Once again, you ask yourself, $35 an hour is quite a bit to pay for a laborer, because you can get most laborers for $14, $16, $18 an hour. But here's the thing, he's got all kinds of experience. We work well together. I've known him for almost 15 years. I brought him up from Houston, Texas a long, long time ago to Des Moines, Iowa. And both of those guys together for a 10-hour day is only $600, and they are performing miracles in this building for me. So I'm paying a lot of money, but what's $600 to get it all done and get it all done right? So am I scavenging the labor or am I not? I would say I am scavenging the labor, even though I'm paying twice what I should be paying, because I'm getting perfection, all right? So there's different ways to looking at everything out there, and this is just one more thing to put into your way of thinking. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Hope you enjoyed this. This is Scavenger Steve with a simple little lesson on scavenging the labor, but also on how to apply texture. And there's fine, medium, and coarse, and he was applying medium back there, by the way. So up to 4 minutes. We'll let you go. Hope you enjoyed this. This is Scavenger Steve saying so long, and encouraging you to go seize the day and scavenge your way, whether it's labor or materials or whatever it is. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.